Hello again. I'm really happy to see that you joined this course. I might need to explain you why we offer this class in addition to the courses which are accredited by IWCF or IADC. Those courses which you attended as a well-controlled training, which is essential in our industry, were concentrated on teaching the well control for drilling. Unfortunately, the huge amount of information which is given in IWCF BOP courses or IADC WellCap and WellSharp programs do not allow them to uncover some of the most specific problems and associated solutions which are linked to the clear brands. The closest course that teaches specific of workover is IWCF pressure control within rig train programs. Okay, one may ask, we know well control as it was taught by accredited courses. Why do we need these extras? I will try to give you an answer. At a certain point of professional development of the drilling personnel, there is a chance that the rig will perform the workover. Or, let's say, due to the ongoing difficulties to retain drilling personnel in the companies, the drilling superintendents and engineers are cross-posted to run the workover operations. I have seen many times when the drilling crews and even rig leaders were somehow confused by the well behavior during the workover. Moreover, some of the people were somehow disoriented when they applied conventional well control procedures when they switch from what they get used to, what they know, the mud, to something different, clear fluids which are called brines. And when they see different well behavior, they think, oh, something went wrong with my well. I still have gas below the BOP. I cannot kill it. I cannot kill it this way. And I need to increase the density. No, but maybe better switch back to the mud. So they ask the offices for approval to use the mud to kill the well. Of course, in most of the cases, such requests are rejected. Given reason is that mud leads to the reservoir damage. But you may also know that the term formation damage is not highly popular amongst the drillers. Why? Well, because sometimes, even right after initial completion, those people in drilling rigs were blamed for poorly producing well. This happens. It happens at least once in the career of every driller or every drilling engineer. So, why is that? Why do we need to learn something extra today after being certified by accredited well-controlled schools? Well, why do the drillers dislike the clear brines? I think there are a few reasons. The first reason is simple. Well, there is a lack of understanding of producing wells interfaces and behavior of the brines in the well. Another reason is that for IWCF and IADC, so International Well Control Forum and International Association of Drilling Contractors, the primary objective of the essential courses is a well control and not the formation damage. But the stakes are not equal for the well owners. Therefore, this training material was developed to assist in understanding of the main differences in the well control during the workover with brines versus standard or conventional well control during well drilling phase. When you look at the handouts, amongst those I've given you the article which was written by Mr. Richard Du Bois, and it was published in the Drilling Contractor back in issue of March-April 2009. Mr. Richard Du Bois worked for the World Well Control. This article is simple explanation given by a recognized advanced well control specialist on the reasons that should drive the engineers and the key personnel to look at the workover well control from different perspectives. The link to original article is shown on PDF header, so download the file and you can read just if you want to check the authenticity of what I'm saying.